So, I'm done with wholesale.
I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but you started out hating, now you love my drip.
So how'd you like the new intro? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I don't want to say I'm done with wholesale. Let's just say I'm scaling back. I'm actually about to pack a wholesale order right now on camera. I guess I'll do it on camera. But I just felt like it's a lot of different reasons. Like I'm gonna say I'm not going to stop completely. I'm just going to limit it for a few different reasons. I just feel like, I don't want y'all to see the person's logos and everything, but I just feel like it's for a lot of different reasons. Number one, like for the most part, I want to love what I do. And anytime I am not enjoying what I'm doing, if I don't enjoy anything like a job, a person in my life, if I don't like the vibe, then I take it out, I remove it from my life. So I love doing nails. I love doing nails. Let me work. Well, let me keep talking. Work and talk. I don't like that one. But I just found myself doing this order. I was just like, the idea crossed my mind and it just weighed so heavy on me I feel like I'm all over the place. I don't know where to start. I don't like that one. But when I was doing this order, and when I'm doing wholesale orders, they tend to take over my entire life. Like I cannot focus on anything else. And then because I have so many wholesale orders and I still have a bunch of wholesale orders that I need to get done. And I feel like I'm about to run behind on them. And then I start, just stressing myself out and going, days with few hours of sleep. And I do that every time I start working on a wholesale order. And I just don't think that, I know that that's not okay. Like if it's not fun, then I need to stop doing it. And there's so many different elements, like why it stresses me out. Just because, like I said, I have so many wholesale orders and 14 to 45 business days. And I do all of this myself. I do everything by myself. And what am I doing? It's really hard to balance the wholesale orders and the regular orders. And I find, like I said, when I'm working on a wholesale order, like that is the only thing that I can focus on. Like if you notice my Instagram, if you notice like my Instagram, I just cannot, it's so hard to take my mind off of the wholesale order and focus on anything else like social media and really anything. And that is not okay. Like I have kids and a husband and a home to maintain. I'm a stay-at-home mom with a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. And if anyone has kids, have babysat, then they take a lot of energy. I constantly have to get up. I feel like it's a wonder I get anything done. They're sleeping right now, which is why I can actually record this video. But yeah, it's just so time consuming and I can't even focus on my own orders, my own business. I can't focus on my own business. I can't even focus on my own life because I'm so consumed with getting someone else's order done, and then I have another one to do and another one to do, and it's just becoming very time consuming for one person. So that's why I am scaling back, and I just think that's going to be a benefit for both of us. So what I plan on doing is I want to have openings like once a month. I'm gonna have openings once a month for a big order for like a 50 set, and for like a 20, 30, or 50, I'm gonna have those open once a month, and I'm gonna be able to get that order done within that month. I'm still gonna have 14 to 45 business days, but more than likely I'll have it done within a month, which is way better than 14 to 45 business days, which can turn out to be like 2 months, you know? So, and I say 2 months because it really does take me that long. Like, you don't understand. Like, I have my own business. I have other wholesale orders. I have other regular orders. I'm supposed to be posting. I have kids. I have to sleep. And I'm not trying to come up with excuses, but that is really my life. And when I'm working on a wholesale order, I am so consumed in that order. I don't focus on anything else. Like, everything around me is like destroyed, I feel like. Like, my house is not as clean because I just don't have time for it. Like, I'm stressed out. I'm tired because I barely get any sleep because I'll stay up to like 3 in the morning, or I'll wake up at 2 something in the morning, and it's just a lot. It really is a lot. And I don't want to let anyone down. I don't want to, and I feel like when I take a long time, I feel like I'm letting you guys down. I get so anxious. Like, this messes with my anxiety so bad because I have so much on my plate. Like, I'm so focused on, doing my best for you. And when it doesn't work out, like when I run behind on a wholesale order, I'm running behind on regular orders, and it's just all very stressful. And I don't want to stress myself out. Like I said, if something becomes stressful, if you don't enjoy doing something, if it doesn't make you happy, remove it from your life. And I'm not removing it from my life because I love doing nails, and I have a new office. We moved. I have a new office. I actually have an office. So my living room, my dining room area is not cluttered up anymore. I'm in a new environment. Like, my last apartment, oh my gosh, my neighbors, I got new neighbors, and they did not like us. They did not like us at all. So it was a very stressful environment. And I'm so happy and relieved to be out of it and now have a new space to work in. I'm so happy, and I feel like toning down the wholesale and focusing on other things. Like, I want to focus more on showing you guys how to, run your own business, do your own things, show you guys the things that I need to be focusing on, and showing you guys how to do that. And I just feel like that would benefit both of us again. And like I said, I'm still gonna have the large wholesale orders are gonna be available once a month. So sign up for emails, and you'll be notified. And so sign up for emails, and you'll be notified of when the wholesale orders open up. But I still have my smaller wholesale orders up, like 10 or 15 of the manager or the assistant, not the boss set. I might keep the boss set, like the 10 boss set up, but once I reach a certain limit a month, it's going down. It's going down. Like, I'm not going to exceed a certain amount for a month that I know that I can, you know, handle and take care of my personal business and my family life all at the same time without stressing myself out. And yeah, so I think this is gonna be a good thing for us all. You know, I think it is. I think it is. I'm really excited about the things that I have coming up. I have a bunch of things planned. I'm going to record another video that's either gonna be posted, like I plan on posting this ASAP, because I miss YouTube. Like I said, like I have been so stressed and busy. Like honestly, that's where I've been. That's what's been happening. I've been stressed, I've been busy, I've been moving. So a lot has been going on, but yeah, new things are happening over here. New things are happening. I'm going to be getting you guys those entrepreneur, starting your press-on nail business from start to finish, all the steps, everything you need to do, maintain it. Yeah, that video is going to be the part 1, or is it part 2? I posted something related to it. I'm not sure. I have to go look. But yeah, so I'm going to be recording a video for that series right after this, because after I pack this order, I'm going to be using some nail polish that I got from my sponsor. So yes, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. So just before I exit out of the video, just to recap, I'm slowing down on the wholesale. So what that means is I am going to be doing a limited amount a month. I'm only going to be doing one large boss order a month. So like one of the 30, 40, or 50 options of the boss sets is going to be available a month. And because I'm doing it like that, you will be able to get your order a whole lot faster. I'll be able to, you know, communicate with you if I need to better, because I'm not juggling so many different wholesale orders and confused about things. It's just going to be a lot better in the future. When I have more employees, I'll open up wholesale bigger and better, but for now it's just going to be limited quantities once a month. You should sign up for the newsletters so you know when the wholesales are available. I am going to be expanding, and I'm going to be doing some expanding. Some new things will be coming for the brand. I have some new videos coming with the starting your own press-on nail series, starting your own press-on nail business. It's going to be a series, everything you need to know about starting a business and maintaining it. What else did I say? Yeah. I want to thank you guys for sticking around. I want to thank you for the new subscribers. Hi, thank you guys. Tell me guys what you think about the new intro video. Again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, and I promise it's coming soon. Bye.